Can I protect my home with an asset protection trust? So I've covered whether you want to put your home into an LLC, and no, that's generally not a good idea because you lose tax benefits. Same thing goes for an asset protection trust, which people often confuse a family or living trust and think that provides asset protection, which it does not. An asset protection trust is different. It provides protection from creditors. A family revocable living trust is an estate planning vehicle to transfer your assets to your children, your grandchildren, whoever it might be, your spouse. But it does not provide protection from creditors. Asset protection trusts keep your assets out of the hands of the creditors, or at least that's the intent. It doesn't always work that way, but that is the intent of an asset protection trust. There are limited types of asset protection trusts that I'm not going to get into right now. Qualified protection personal residence trust, QPERTs, those are potential vehicles for holding a primary residence, but those are very specialized and too detailed to get into right now. But generally, putting title of your primary residence into a trust, into an asset protection trust, you lose all the tax benefits. If you put it into a living trust, it's what's considered a grantor trust by the IRS, and essentially what that means is you continue to get the tax benefits because it's like you still personally own your residence and you get your personal tax deductions, mortgage interest, and taxes, and your capital gains tax exclusion when you sell the property. But putting it into an asset protection trust is typically, in most cases, not a grantor trust, and you lose all the tax benefits because it's a legal entity, like an LLC owning the house. So it's generally not a good idea to put it into a asset protection trust.